Hi there artists. Today we're going to draw Birudo from Dragon Quest. So let's grab our markers and jump into this adventure. Let's start off with Birudo's nose. We're going to do a little hook like this. And then just below that we're going to go down and you're just going to draw a little smile off to the side, a bit longer to the side, and a little dimple right there. Now right above this dimple we're going to draw the eye. We're going to go to the other side. We'll draw another eye. We're going to come back and we'll draw the inside of the eye and a pupil as well with a little light reflection. We're going to go to the other side and we'll do the same. There we go, and a little light reflection there as well. And let's fill the pupil in. We're going to start here on the side. We're going to do the side of Birudo's face. We're going to go down, go all the way around, and we're going to stop like that. We're going to go one step up, and we'll draw a little ear, and then we're just going to do the inside of the ear as well. From there, we're going to start with the hair. I'm going to make a little curve, and then I'm going to make a bigger curve, and I'm going to bring it all the way down like this. And I'm going to take it up. Then, I'm going to bring another line down. I'm going to touch the head and just come down like this. And then I'll just bring it up a bit, like this. And maybe just do a little bit of a stripe there inside as well. Now right above the eye, I'm going to start and I'm going to draw there, one up, and then the other eyebrow, just bring it down and bring it up. And we're going to fill these in as well. And now for hair, I'm going to start here on the side. And I'm going to draw a bunch of pointy hair. I'm going to start there, and maybe I'll stop right there, and I'm going to go here in the middle. And I'll draw a piece of hair here, bring a line down. Now that I have that, I can just go and connect it. And right here in between, I'll draw some other hair, maybe just a little line there, and maybe let's draw a line here as well. Now here on the side, I want to draw maybe a small piece of hair, and then the hair goes through here, and then of course an ear for Birudo. There we go. Now we're going to continue with his hair, and I'm just going to draw all the hair going down, and just bring it a bit closer, maybe connect it right there, and then yeah, let's do another small piece here as well. And then I'm just going to draw the insides there. And there his head is done. We're going to go down and we're going to draw his scarf. And I'm just going to connect the line like this. And we'll just bring lines down in a V shape. So I'll do one here and bring it down as well like this. And we'll maybe make just two lines there as well. Next up, let's do his hands. Now I'm going to start with a fist. And you can just copy me, and I'm just going to draw a little hook. You just draw a hook like that. Then from there, I'm going to go and I'm going to draw a finger, a second finger, and then a third finger. Just like that. We're going to go and we draw another hook and we take it back there. And then we're just going to draw a little mark there. Now a thumb, I'm just going to draw a thumb here. And Birudo is wearing a glove, so we'll just draw the back side of the glove as well. So I'm going to make two lines outwards and then connect it. And there we have a hand or a fist. I'm going to go up and I'm just going to make a very short line and I'm going to connect it back to the fist. Then we're going to go and you're just going to draw a shoulder and there's a strap for a backpack at the back, so I'll just draw the strap. Now here's jacket. We're going to draw a button right there. I'm going to jump to the other side. I'm roughly going to make it about the same length. Make it going out and in, and then of course another button. Now right in between, I'm going to draw a big circle. That is his belt buckle, and then a smaller circle inside. I'm going to connect the line to the jacket, and then from underneath I'm going to draw a thick belt, and I'm going to bring it up, and on this side maybe from there, and there's the belt. Now the scarf is not finished. We're going to just draw a little knot there and a piece of the scarf coming here as well. There we go. We're going to go to this side. Now we're going to draw again a fist clenching a hammer. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make another hook like this, and then I'm just going to bring a curve down, and I'll make another curve there. Now that I have that, I'm going to bring the straight line through. You can leave it right there, and then here I'll just continue with the line. So this is the bottom of the hammer. I'm going to do the top of the hammer. I'm going to stop right there. Now we're going to draw fingers. Now I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a hook again, another hook. Now here I'm going to start here and I'll do another hook, but what I'll do is I'll bring a line back like this, and this is going to be the part of the hammer, and I'll just do 2 lines. Now I have to finish up the finger. Now what we'll do is we'll bring a line down and we'll connect it right there, and you see there we have a hand. We're going to do the bottom there, then you can draw a little line out, and again here another line out, and this is for the glove. We can start here. We're going to make a line going there, that's the top of the arm, and now for the bottom we're going to go here. You're going to take it sort of to that, a button, and there's the arm. Now we're going to draw a line going down, and you're going to draw a shorter line next to it. We have that, a skew line going downwards, and then we're going to draw a long line. That's for his leg. On this side, I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw another line. We're going to connect it with a curve. We're just going to make an upwards curve there as well. And now that I have this, what I can do is just connect it and then extend the lines a little bit farther, as you can see, like this. I'm going to go up there, make a line down, up there, and you're going to make another line down. And then we're going to connect these 2 lines with a downwards curve. Now it's time for a boot. We're going to draw a boot. You're going to make 2 little curves. Then we make another curve, and then right here we make another curve. We're going to go down, connect everything. Just going to make 2 lines there as well, and then the sole of the shoe, so right there, and we're going to bring it all the way around and connect it, and there's a boot. We're going to go to the other side. I'm going to come here and we'll just align, and now on top you're going to draw another line with a downwards curve like this, and here you're just going to make a downwards curve. Now these 2 lines we're going to connect also with a downwards line. We're going to do the same like this side, and just draw these 2 lines and then connect them again with this downwards curve. Oh yeah, on top we're just going to connect there. Now we're going to draw the boot. You're just going to make 2 of these lines again, and then like this, and bring it all the way, and now we're going to connect it at the bottom like this. In time for the sole, bring it up, and the heel. We're going to go to the back, and we're going to draw a backpack. Now in this backpack is a big book, So what I'll do, I'll just draw a straight line. I'm going to bring a line up. I'm going to extend another line and do it like this. Thereafter, another line down. Then we're just going to draw a line up and back. A line on top there as well. And then right here, we're going to draw the back. We're going to bring this line down like this, and we're going to connect it and maybe just bring a line there. And there's the backpack with a book in it. At the back, we're going to draw the hammer. So we're going to start right here. And I'm going to just draw the hammer there. And just make a few lines backwards as well, like this. And there we have the hammer as well. Now that's Birudo. You can look at my picture and try to match the colors. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.